Hello and welcome to Horizon Overland. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. I've been busy doing a lot of builds, but today I'm going to show you my latest build that's going to be up for sale. It is a 1998 Chevy Astro rear-wheel drive with the updated level 3 camper build in it. Now I've done a 2004 Astro level 3 before. That one was all-wheel drive. And the cool thing about the rear-wheel drive versus the all-wheel drive is that the rear-wheel drive will get better fuel economy, up to 24 miles to the gallon on the highway versus 17 for the all-wheel drive. So, without further ado, let's get started on that tour. All right, folks, so here it is. Again, this is a 1998 Chevy Astro. It is a clean title, clean Carfax. Very good condition, about 140,000 miles. Comes with the two-tone color combination, teal green on gray. The body is straight, no accidents. The paint is okay for the year. It has been upgraded to a level 3. You could see the two panels on top secured on the roof. And then we also have the optional 4x6 roof basket for extra storage. And that's pretty much it on the outside. There isn't much modifications. I didn't really need to lift this vehicle because, again, this is a rear-wheel drive model, which means that this thing gets really good gas mileage, up to 24 miles to the gallon on the highway. For a recreational vehicle, that's actually really, really good. On the rear, we see the Dutch door setup, two lower barn doors, and the lift gate on top. And then here we see the tow package. There's the tow hitch. Moving right along to the side, we only have one sliding door on the passenger side. And here you could see we have the window deflectors to prevent water from coming in if you want to crack open a window on a rainy day. Mechanically, this Astro is in really good shape. All the fluids are current, the maintenance is up to date. The tires are brand new, the brakes are good. It runs and drives really well. Everything works as it should. For the year, it's actually in really, really good condition. So that's pretty much the tour of the outside. Let's go ahead and move on to the inside and show you more of this Astro. Moving on to the inside, you can see this is the LS model. I should mention that the 1998 Astro is very, very similar to the 2004 Astro that I had. Pretty much exactly the same interior and exterior, not much differences, maybe aside from the wheels. The wheels are a little older. So let's go ahead and go through this one. This one will have the power door locks, mirrors, and windows. Here we have the cruise control, which works. And then here's your light control. You do have daytime running lights, but you don't have automatic lights. Here you can see two front captain chairs. Very, very comfortable. The cloth is gray, very clean, no rips, no holes in the seats, and they do come with two armrests, one on each side. Let's go ahead and hop in here to show you the more of this interior. All the gauges are working. Here's your automatic 4-speed shift column. It shifts really, really well. Here's your climate control. This is an aftermarket CD player. However, I will be replacing this unit. This is an older unit with a newer, updated JVC CD player with Bluetooth and all the phone connectivity, all the modern stuff. Here we have two cup holders, and then we have some extra storage in here. And then you could see we do have rubber mats. They're a little dirty, but yeah, we do have rubber floor mats. This is your ashtray. Here we have the rear AC controls, which the AC, by the way, blows really, really cold. And then we have the rear wiper control for the rear wiper blade. And then here I've installed a rear view camera monitor. So if I turn it on by pressing this button right here, which is connected to one of two 12-volt outlets that came with the Astro, this will turn on and will replace the rear view, because as you could see, the view in the back is obstructed by all the insulation. You can remove all the insulation and get better visibility, but this will be a better, more accurate depiction of what's happening behind you. Up here we have dome lights, some storage all around, and then this will display the compass as well as the temperature. That's pretty much the front. Let me now go to the back and show you more of this level 3 build. Let's go ahead and open the sliding door to show you the level 3 build. Now, if you've seen my previous Astro build, you will notice that this is almost exactly the same layout. However, there are a few minor changes that I did on this Astro build versus the other one. The first thing I did is actually I installed a curtain. The curtain makes it easier, you know, to create more privacy and separate the driving area from the lounging area now, and then eventually the sleeping area, which I will transform in a minute. But yeah, the cool thing about the Astro is that if you're driving and then you just stop, you don't have to get out of your vehicle. You can actually walk through the middle area right here. There is no center console, and then pretty much get to the back, no problem. You don't even have to exit your vehicle. This makes it very easy, very convenient to do that in the Astro. So you could see now the setup is a lounging setup. This is a small bench. I will be including the lower cushion and then the back support cushion for the bench. And then here you could see the mattress. This isn't the mattress that will come with this build. This is a 3-inch foam mattress. A 4-inch foam mattress will be coming with this build. I'm using this mattress just for demonstration purposes. And then here you could see all your electrical outlets, USB 12 volt inverter on and off switch, which will activate the AC outlet right here, which also has more USB. And then here's your battery readout to help you determine the battery level and the voltage. In here we have the electrical compartment, 100 amp hour battery, 1100 watt inverter, the solar controller, and all the switches. And then on the other side we have just an empty storage compartment. I also wanted to show you this small folding table that acts as a coffee table. You could use it as a dining table. You could use it as a little office, you know, put your laptop up here. You could sit on that bench, open the door, park somewhere really cool, enjoy the view, and then either eat or work from the comfort of the Astro, the lounging setup. So let me go ahead and transform this into a bed setup to show you what that looks like. Okay, so I just went ahead and put all the cushions away in this large drawer. It is on locking slides, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and reach over and then swing the extension onto the floor just like this to create a flat surface area for that mattress to go ahead and lay on top, which I will go ahead and do. So I'm going to slide it just like this and then open it up and just let it lay on the platform. This is almost a full-size mattress. 2 people can comfortably sleep on this mattress. Lots and lots of privacy with all the insulation covering the windows, and also the curtain can be pulled, separating the driving area from the now sleeping area. Okay, I hopped inside just to show you the side storage on this Astro. Now, on the previous Astro, I did a different setup than this. This one is going to be really cool because it's going to have open storage on top with these long railings to keep things from spilling over, and then really you can use this whole area. Notice that the speaker in the back is still uncovered. But then you can also remove this one. The other one stays. This one can be removed. This one also is a cover, and we have a storage compartment. This is a new feature on this Astro versus the other one, and you can see this one is nice and snug. It doesn't move anywhere. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the other one. So this one comes out, and we have a kind of a hidden storage compartment, and then it goes back on again, very snug, and no rattling or anything like that. Here on this side we have another 12 volt outlet as well. All right, so let me go ahead and go to the back and show you the kitchen build. Opening the lift gate first, and then we open the doors afterwards. Again, this is the Dutch door setup. You could see the kitchen build. Again, this is a level 3. This is very similar to my last Astro build, but there are a few changes back here as well. Here you could see the kitchen sink. So we have the sink bowl, and then it's been sealed on this very smooth platform. Everything has been sanded down and routed for that very nice smooth finish, as well as multi-layer of gloss has been added for moisture protection and to give it that very nice shine as well. So here you could see that really nice soft closing slide touch to this drawer. Here we have the 2 7-gallon water containers. Again, I've showed you this many times, so you guys kind of know how this sink setup works. And next to the sink we have the 12-volt fridge, and here you could see the outlet that this fridge plugs into. And behind the fridge we have an opening, and this area is where the factory jack stores, but you can also use it as extra storage as well. Okay, so down here we have our drawers. We have a big deep drawer on this side. The front side of this long drawer is a topper, a built-in topper, also a very nice surface area for prepping, cooking, whatever. Here I left it open for more increased storage capacity, and the drawers are on heavy-duty lockable 2-position ball bearing slides. Here we also have another drawer, same setup, topper on this side, open on the other side, and you can see, you just heard the click. That means this drawer is now secured in place. It's very nice and stable. These are rated for 250 pounds. I wouldn't put 250 pounds on there, but it's nice to know that they are heavy duty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the drawers, and under the drawers you will see the stove. On the previous build I had the stove actually stored up here. Now we have more storage because the stove is actually stored down here, and behind the stove we have the 2x4 folding table as well, which is you can see the handles right there, so you can reach in and pull it out if you need to. So that's pretty much the rear kitchen setup on this 98 Astro. So that concludes the tour of this 1998 Chevy Astro Level 3 camper build. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this rig will be offered for sale on the Horizon Overland website, www.horizonoverland.com. Check it out to learn more about this rig. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.